Hi, I'm Ryan Nickel, CTO at DSA Ocean, and today I want to show you about how to set up a dynamic load case for an aquaculture fish farm mooring system. Where we left off last time was we set up the static deflection of the fish farm in a current, and we exported the final state to make a new project, and that's what we have here for using this as a starting point for a dynamic simulation. So it's fairly straightforward. We've already got the current profile on. We want to make sure there's no current transition on. And now we turn on waves, and we're going to run a maximum design wave scenario. With the conditions we want to work with in this particular scenario are 1 meter, that's a trough to crest airy wave with a 9-second period and a specific heading. What we want to make sure we do is set the wave transition mode on, and it starts ramping at 0 and takes 9 seconds. That's one wave period to ramp up, and then we'll subject the system to one full airy wave period. And you can see the simulation time is set to 18 seconds total. So once we've got that completed, and we should make sure the interval output's about 0.1, I think is usually good to capture a lot of the dynamic information. We're ready to run this load case. So you can run it in here. If you're setting up multiple cases to run at the same time, definitely encourage you to configure them ahead of time and then make use of Proteus Queuing Manager to run your load cases in parallel. So what does this look like when it's done? Well, we have some results to look at. So we'll just load the last few seconds of the simulation. Specify time to load. 1 airy wave period should be good. But you can look at the whole simulation if you want to. Remember, it's only a 1 meter wave, so there'll be some motion and some dynamics, but it won't be anything too crazy. If we go to look at engineering view, that might be a little bit easier to see the system. So it's already done the first transition of the wave. I've only loaded the last half of the data. And you can see, if we look at the tensions, moving back and forth, you can kind of see some motion there, and some of the design driving tensions in these bridle lines and mooring lines in this part of the farm system. All right, that's what I wanted to show in terms of setting up a dynamic load case for your fish farm. Thanks for watching.